Welcome to QuizSphere Fun channel. Today we are going to talk about the Brain Teasers quiz. Brain Teasers quiz rules. How to play. There are 15 questions in this quiz. 1. Read the brain teaser or look at the emojis carefully. 2. Think fast. You'll get a few seconds to guess the answer. 3. Choose from the given options A, B, C, D. 4. The correct answer will be revealed after the timer ends. 5. Keep track of your score for fun. Rules. No cheating. Try to answer before the timer ends. Scoring rank. 90% to 100% equals Brain Teaser Master. B. 70% to 89% equals Smart Thinker. 40% to 69% equals Learner. Below 40% equals Keep Practicing. Share your final score in the comments or with friends. Are you ready? Let's go. First quiz is A. Beehive. B. Beach. C. Be seen. D. Bee soup. Your time starts now. Option C. Be seen. Absolutely right. Next quiz is A. See you later. B. I'll be back. C. Look twice. D. Repeat after me. Your time starts now. Spot on answer. Option B. I'll be back. Next quiz is A. Moonlight. B. Moonshot. C. Rocket science. D. Space selfie. Your time starts now. Option D. Space selfie. You got it right. Next quiz is A. Apple pie. B. Apple books, school. C. Fruit salad. D. Book sale. Your time starts now. Wow, correct answer. Option B. Apple books, school. Next quiz is A. Sit for a while. B. Elephant in the room. C. Big seat time. D. Memory lane. Your time starts now. Option B. Elephant in the room. Brilliant. That's the right answer. Next quiz is A. Jigsaw market. B. Brain teaser. C. Mindless puzzle. D. Puzzle shop. Your time starts now. Exactly correct. Option B. Brain teaser. Next quiz is A. Comedy night. B. Movie trailer. C. Horror movie. D. Popcorn sale. Your time starts now. Option C. Horror movie. Perfectly right. Next quiz is A. Storm warning. After the storm, silver lining. C. Weather app. D. Sun umbrella. Your time starts now. Smart thinking. Option B. After the storm, silver lining. Next quiz is A. Closed shop. B. Locked out. C. Unlock the door. D. Lost key. Your time starts now. Option C. Unlock the door. You're a genius. That's correct. Next quiz is A. Night school. B. Cat castle. C. Ninja at night. D. Moon festival. Your time starts now. Correct answer. Well done. Option C. Ninja at night. Next quiz is A. Headache. B. Silent disco. C. Dance to the beat. D. Broken speaker. Your time starts now. Option C. Dance to the beat. Right answer. Great job. Next quiz is A. Try again. B. Finish line winner. C. Marathon canceled. D. Slow and steady. Your time starts now. Perfect answer. Option B. Finish line winner. Next quiz is A. Fish market. B. Salted fish. C. Swim salty. D. Fish and chips. Your time starts now. Option B. Salted fish. Correct. Amazing. Next quiz is A. Boiling point. B. Iced coffee. C. Hot ice. D. Tea time. Your time starts now. %100% right. Option B. Iced coffee. Next quiz is A. Planetarium. B. World peace. C. Dove market. D. Travel agency. Your time starts now. Option B. World peace. You're the quiz master. Correct answer. Well done. The end of the quiz. Bye.